Whatever else you're up to this time of year, it definitely seems to be the season for Galaxy S11 leaks, and we've got a couple of new ones to report, one on the sizes of the new phones and one on the rear camera array. First up, respected tipster at Universe Ice has shown off screen protectors for the Galaxy S11e, the Galaxy S11, and the Galaxy S11 Plus. The sizes of the protectors aren't given, but you can see how they stack up alongside each other. The biggest jump in size looks to be between the S11e and the standard S11. Previous rumors have put the display dimensions at 6.4 inches, 6.7 inches and 6.9 inches respectively, though that's yet to be confirmed. As for the second major S11 leak of the week, it's another rendering of the S11 Plus rear camera array from Unleaks, who was usually accurate in his predictions, this time with 4 lenses rather than 5. It was the same Unleaks account that tweeted out this picture of a 5-lens rear camera array back in November. Apparently that was a first stage prototype, and this second rendering is far more accurate. We did view the original renderings with suspicion at the time, and it's worth pointing out that these very well done renders are based on information from suppliers. They're not leaked images of the actual handsets themselves. All this assumes that the upcoming phones will be called the S11e, the S11, and the S11 Plus, following the 2019 template. There has been talk of a S20 name, in honor of the year 2020, but we're yet to be convinced. As with any rumors, we can assume these leaks are 100% accurate until Samsung officially unveils the phones on either February 11th or February 18th apparently. But as the launch draws closer, a better picture of these new handsets is starting to appear.